We're gonna take you outside during Hurricane Sandy. Let's go! Oh, you know what? Let's show you the inside of the house first. The front door that we have leading up to the first floor, 2 or 3 steps gone, I think, still. Let's go down the steps. Yep, there's water coming in the steps. I had to tie the door shut because the wind is blowing it everywhere. That's not fun. Alright, let's go outside. Going outside. Pull up the hood, prepare myself for this. Let's go into Sandy. Oh, Sandy. Woo. Welcome to Sandy, folks. My backyard. Hey, the canoe ended up at our steps. Yeah, go this way. Oh. This side of my house. We're going to the front yard. Oh my God, it's like the beach. I have waves in my front yard. It's pretty cool. What? The boat's taking on water, our getaway boat. Oh God! Flooded as well. The lattice. I can't walk forward. Oh, wet. This is my neighbors and their boats. Oh, that one's sideways and pretty much on the dock. Not a fun day in South Jersey. And I'm wet. Bye-bye.